is going on, my YouTube friends? Look, guys, I got to do something with this window on this Ford F150, the 87, because it goes down, but then it has a hard time coming back up, and I got to grab the window and pull it back up. So I'm thinking the gear stripped inside the motor, the door motor. So I'm going to get it pulled out and pop it in. Let me show you what I'm doing here. Blue, yeah, buddy. Good old chair. But anyhow, what it is, I gotta get this rust fixed, man. It's horrible. But anyhow, yeah, it's another day. So I gotta pull the motor out. Ooh, yummy, yummy. So I gotta get to this bolt here. Then there's two bolts behind there. But the cool thing is Ford's put these little divots here and right there to drill out, yeah, buddy, to get to the other bolts. So let me get these drilled out and then I will bring you back. Oh yeah, such fun in the summer. All right, as you can see here now, you can see the bolts in there. You got a bolt in there, so if that one to come out, I'm gonna have to oblong this hole a little bit, make it a little bigger so I can get the socket in there. And then I got the little one in there I gotta get out still too, so. All right, yeah, what I got is the little thing here from Harbor Freight, man, with a magnet in it. So, yeah, buddy, it's always good to have a magnet. All right, let me get these loosened up and then get that motor on and I'll bring it back. Just made a mess, you know, so this one was really good and I'm working on getting that one on right now. But before I do that, sorry for all the blindness, but I put some duct tape on the window up there so the window don't come down, so that'll hold the window up. So, all right, let me finish getting this motor out and I'll bring you back. Phone got hot, I had to take it and put it in the shade. And, well, I'm lying, I actually put it in the refrigerator to cool it off so I could finish videoing. But anyhow, I had to pull the speaker out so I could get my big old hand down there and get the engine out. And we got her out, get the motor off. Motor! So I got the motor off. So let me take off this Phillips screw, and we'll pull that out and we'll check the gear because I'm pretty sure that's what's wrong with this. Because the motor seems to run good, it just rear, and won't push the motor up. I got to take my hand and push the window up. So let's check her out. I'll be right back with you as soon as I get this out because I can't do this one-handed. I'm not that well, I got the motor out. I took it apart already, and yeah, grease. I love it. So anyhow, I pulled this out, and come on, you can come out. And I pulled the gear out, so this looks good right here. But the gear on the inside there, these little pieces are all broke off inside of there. So these pieces that go into here, that go onto the little rotary here, I have all broken off. So that's why it's not that. So all I need is a gear. I don't need the whole motor. So that's why I took it apart before I jumped it, you know, say I needed a motor when I really don't. Because the motor seems to operate good. Let me see if I can get this to come out. And again, I'll probably shut it off because, you know, it's just the way it works. Especially with grease. Yay. Let's do this. There we go. See that? We can do it. But these gears all look pretty good. So it's the internal inside of here that's messed up, which I'll go get a new gear and I'll look at it, make sure that's what it is, but I'm pretty sure because there's a bunch of broke pieces in there, plastic pieces that was in there. So these right here, it's black, there's chunks in there, then you got that big old chunk, and there's chunks in here too. So yep, that's what we got going on right now. So I'm gonna head to one of the stores and whoever's the cheapest. I got O'Reilly's, AutoZone, and Advanced Auto around here. So all the other ones are closed on Sunday. So let's get over here and see what we can buy, and I'll bring it back. Cleaned out and ready to go. I got to wait for the gear. I got to go pick it up at 3 o'clock. Right, yeah, baby. Look at here, boy. I put me some grease in there, didn't I? Yeah, buddy. So, okay, let's get this stuff sitting in here. Set it right here on my leg. And then we want to do is we want to drop this up in there, Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh, feel the grease. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, grease. Grease. Okay. So then I gotta put these in. Do. And then they give me a new gear. Ooh, fancy. Fancy. And then I'll put the gear in. And then I'll put the new, got a brand new little top for it. Oh, this is so cool. All right, so let's get this together and I'll bring you guys back. And look it, they gave me a little thing of grease. Yeah, buddy, I'll use that later for something else because I got grease. I got all kinds of grease. All right, I'll be right back. I pretty much got it all back together and everything like that. Window works good and everything. So I saved probably about $30 just changing that gear. Because if you go buy a new window motor, you know, you're going to spend 45 bucks, 50 bucks, somewhere right around there, depending on which one you want to buy. But it's a big savings when you just change that gear, you know, because everything was still working. The window just, I'd have to grab it and pull it up. It'd go down, you know. So, all right, let me get this back together and I'll show you how well it works. Oh, yeah, all back together. Good to go, just like new. Now the window works. Yeah, buddy, look at that. I gotta get that tape off there. What fun, huh? I'm a happy boy. Yeah, buddy. Leave that right there. I'll get that tape off. And I'll get back with you guys on my thoughts. Pretty good day today. You know, we got the window motor, everything took out, repaired, put back in. Now she's working fantastic. You know, I was just going to go and replace the motor, and I got to thinking, I says, I'm pretty sure that there's a plastic gear or a nylon gear, whatever you want to call it, in the motor itself. So you have the gear that runs the window regulator, and then you have the drive gear that drives that gear that runs the window regulator. Tongue twister. I'm surprised I made it through it. So anyhow, as I pulled it apart, as you've seen, and then I had to wait a couple hours because they had to get one at O'Reilly's. Nobody else even carried them, and they carry them, but they didn't have any in stock. AutoZone's like, no, we sell the whole motor. We don't do that. And I says, are you sure? And they said, I'm positive. I says, okay, I'm sorry. I got to go to O'Reilly or something then, you know. Advanced Auto wouldn't be able to get me one until Monday or Tuesday. And I'm like, no, I'm going to call O'Reilly. I'm not a big fan of O'Reilly, but if you need something, the warehouse is around the corner. You can get it. You know what I mean? So it ended up costing me $19 plus tax for the gear. If I was to go buy a whole motor, you're looking anywhere between $40 and $50, you know. So I saved 30 bucks at least, you know. And it wasn't much harder to do that than what I did. You know what I'm saying? So, and then replace the whole motor. So I got it all out, got it all back together. Everything's working good. So I'm a happy boy. Now when I go to the bank or a drive-through or anything like that, I can roll the window down instead of having to open the door up halfway. So, you know, like I says, if you got a bad window motor or something like that, just kind of look at it a little bit. You might be able to just go ahead and repair it. There's some YouTube videos and stuff out there that I did watch. That's how I learned about drilling the little divots that they got. You know what I'm saying? Because I watched YouTube. YouTube's a great tool if you really use it. You know what I'm saying? The guy that showed me, let me get his name here because I want to get it correct. So I'll look right here on the computer and get his name so I can get it right. I think it's Band53. He's a pretty good guy. I like watching his videos. And he's always got something good. So, you know, I hate when the camera does that, but you know what I mean? It's the stupid lighting. So let's see here, go to history and find out. I think it's Band53. He seems like a real good guy. I watch his videos. I don't know if he's subscribed to me or not. You know, but hey, it is what it is, man. I learned something from him today. Let me get him here. Because back in the old days, I'd have took that whole thing apart. Where'd you go, buddy? Here he is right here. Yeah, it's BAH53. So BA53. Here goes that camera again. So it's the lighting in the back, and I ain't got no lights in here turned on, so it kind of mixes it up. There goes my compressor going right there. So he's the one that showed me those divots. So get over there and check him out. BAH53. I'll put his link down in the description below, so you can go over and check him out. I think he's got quite a few videos. Matter of fact, the video I just watched to learn that was of.
All right. Well, I don't normally do this. I'm kind of.
He had 20,000 hits on this thing, and he's got about 21K subscribers. So yeah, get over there and check him out. He helped me out, and by making this video that's pretty old. So, but yeah, like I says, I'll put a description to his link down below, so you can at least go over there and check him out. But that's where I learned how to drill those holes out, because this guy right here. And man, I tell you what, it really made it a lot easier. It really did. It probably took a good hour's worth of work out of me. You know what I mean? So, all right, guys, hey, I appreciate each and every one of you. My new subscribers, hey, man, my old subscribers, I love you all the same. You guys are great, and I appreciate each and every one of you. So, have a great day, and hey, thanks for watching.